Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming to my channel. This is Custom to the Nature. Thanks so much to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Each time you watch my video, I appreciate it, and each time you share it, thanks so much for the encouragement. And if today is your first time coming across my video, I say you are welcome. Stay tuned to the end. Don't miss any part of this. Okay, look at this trendy boubou pleated gown, boubou, a free kind of cloth. If you look at it here, is the sleeve is inbuilt. I believe we know how to cut our upper parts, so it's divided into two upper parts and the lower part. Okay, so the sleeve is inbuilt and is a kind of full kind of sleeve. The wideness here is small and is narrow towards your armpit. And you look at the sleeve here. So from this, your neck design, it depends on the neck design you want to put. You can put bold, you can put a sweetener, any type of neckline you want, V, round, everything. Okay, so from here to this place, you measure about 6 inches, and then you used 1 inch to pleat it. Leave about 2 inches distance. Use another 1 inch to pleat. This place is not up to 2, 1.5. Pleat it again. This place 1.5. Then you pleat it, and you see I have about 4 pleats. The same thing I did with the second sleeve too. So you can see it how my sleeve is. You can see the pleated side there. Okay. And if you look at my neck design, I use bold design. I don't want it to be too open, and I just want it moderate. Okay, so now lower the half length of the sleeve. You can see it. You can see the pleatings there. The pleatings there. Okay, so there are 2 ways we can put this our pleating. We can separate the pleating. Okay, we can sew it together. So if you're going to sew it together, you just go to normal back and front for the half length. Okay, for the lower part of your cloth. Okay, so the one in the front is longer. So you have calculated how much of pleats you want to put there. So you will increase it in the front part when you are cutting it. So what you now do is that you fold it, form your pleatings as you want, as many as you want. If you want to make your pleating to be full, you pleat and place it on each other. I know what I'm explaining. Just wait till the end. I will explain everything, and then the end will tell you what I'm explaining in details now. Okay, so form your pleatings. By the time you form your pleating, you place your back side on it, and then you put to trim the shape you want. But if there are other way you can do it, just cut your front and back of the lower part, and then you cut your pleatings separately and place it on it and stitch it together. So if you look at this place, you see that there's a piece of the cloth there that I used to cover the sewing, so that just make it neat, and that's all. Okay, and then you cut your belt. It's a boubou. You want to make it to be a fitted gown, so you cut your belt. Well, mine just about 2.5 wideness. Okay, so and I put belt holder. Okay, so that I can be helping you to keep your belt. So in this case, you tie the belt to the back. You place it on the joining. And tie it. Tie it, and then your boubou gown is ready. So simple. So watch to the end and see the remaining part of it. I've explained the details to you, so it depends on how the neck you want to say, like I said. So just watch to the end. Don't go away. Watch to the end. Thanks so much. Let's go.